All right, guys, we're going to look at something fascinating today, and that is the Russell 2000 E-mini futures, ticker symbol RTY. Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how we nailed the exact low in the morning session on the Russell 2000, and I'm going to show you why this is probably one of the most fascinating instruments to trade during periods of high volatility. All right, so let's go ahead and fire this up. Alright, what's up guys? It's Mark here at DynoTrading, knocking out a quick video here for you before I get out of the office here. Today's the day before Fed Day, right? Today is July 30th, tomorrow is July 31st, and we got that big Federal Reserve interest rate decision. I think the market's priced in a rate cut, but I think what's going to be more important is what does the Fed say going forward? Are they going to cut some more? Or is this more along the lines of a one and done, right? And that's going to make a difference. I feel like the way the market's been acting through today, and that's all year long, we've just been in a straight line up, right? And one of the things that professional traders always know happens in the market is that event-based news is usually priced in. Right? So what I'm thinking for tomorrow, and keep in mind, Fed days are one of the best fucking days to trade. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise, right? Anyone that tells you that you should be sitting on the sidelines on Fed days has probably got their head up their ass. Okay? Trading Fed days are extremely high volatility days, and you know that you've heard me say this before, volatility is a trader's best friend, right? That's the only way. Guys, I'm telling you, that is the only way you will make money over the long term in day trading, by trading very volatile markets. And that's why I'm showing you the Russell here today, because the Russell's been killing it the last few trading sessions. All right. So today's video is going to be more of a checklist and a game plan on how to prepare for tomorrow and potentially even use the Russell as your vehicle to participate in the volatility, regardless of which direction, right? In fact, if you look at the chart on the Russell from today, you would almost think that today was Fed Day, right? I mean, the Russell had a 35-point intraday range, okay? That's 2%. Think about that, 2% on anything, on any Forex pair, any futures pair. That's a big move, especially if you've taken on a lot of leverage. A 2% move in the underlying could potentially represent a 30 to 40% gain in your account, right? So anyway, what I'm going to be looking for tomorrow is this checklist right here on all of my charts, okay? And I really think you guys should be doing the exact same thing. I'm pretty sure we're going to have some fucking fireworks this week, whether it's tomorrow, whether it's the day after, whether it's Friday. We are going to have some insanely volatile moves. And the smart trader is always going to be prepared in advance for those moves, right? So here's my checklist. Number one here, I'm going to watch all three of the stock index futures. That's what SIF means, all right? I just shortened it there. I'm going to be looking at the Dow. I'm going to be looking at the NASDAQ. I'm going to be looking at the Russell. I'm not going to be looking at the ES. I know a lot of you guys are obsessed with the ES. I'm not sure why. That thing trends horribly. I'm interested in making money, and how I make money is by watching instruments that actually fucking trend instead of go nowhere like the ES. Okay? So what do I mean by trends? Well, let me just show you the last couple of days on the Russell, right? Here's today. Fucking beautiful day on the Russell, right? Here's the last couple of days. Just check this out, right? Just in these 3 sessions, this was around $6,000 in potential trading profit on just a few contracts of the Russell, right? And a lot of the ES traders don't know that. Like the Russell and the ES have the exact same profit calculation. It's 50 bucks a point. A lot of people don't know that. A lot of the guys who are stupid and trade the ES, they don't know that. They don't know that there's an exactly identical instrument out there called the Russell that gives you 10 times better moves, right? Anyway, so this is why, right? This is why I wanted to put this video together for you guys, because the Russell is new even for me. I put it on my watch list a few months ago. I've been watching it like a hawk. This thing fucking moves, guys. This thing trends very, very well. In fact, any of you guys who've been trading the Russell for a long time, please drop your comments below. I'd love to know your experience with the Russell. Anyway, so I'm going to be watching the Russell tomorrow, and I'm going to be waiting for an exact fucking setup like this, right? Just fucking beautiful, where it's either going to be a short signal or a long signal. And you guys know what comes next, right? We draw our highs and lows. We draw our highs and lows. And this is our launch pad. This is our liftoff zone, either our breakout or breakdown zone, right? You guys know that, okay? Now, we've covered the first 3 steps. We still need to do what, right? We need to wait for the retracement. Now, I've been playing around with percentages, okay? What I have found that on Fed days where there's an interest rate based decision or a news based decision happening, the market takes its time for either, I don't know, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour. It takes its time to digest that information. And so a lot of times on Fed days, and only on Fed days, you get huge retracements, okay? So I think I'm going to be waiting for a 30% retracement. All right, because I feel that's enough room to give the market to figure out what direction it wants to eventually take off. And keep in mind, guys, we have no idea what direction it's going to go. All we know is that it is going to go. Odds are it's probably going to drop. So I kind of have a bias on going short. But again, I'm not trying to pretend to be smarter than the market. I want to trade what's happening, not what I think is going to happen, right? So I'm going to be waiting for that 30% retracement. I'm going to be jumping over to my T-bar chart, all right? We're going to be squishing this in, and I'm going to be drawing my trend lines just like this, and I'm going to be waiting for that trend line to break. So everything you see here, this entire move, right? This huge move here on this T-bar chart represents everything over here on the Dyno bar chart, all the way up. Shame on you if you tried to short the Russell today, man. Got your fucking face ripped off. You were long and strong today, and you took this trade using no indicators whatsoever, right? So that's what I'm looking at, guys, right? I don't think I'm going to be watching CNBC. I'm just going to be staring like a hawk at these charts. I want the market to tell me what it wants to do. I'm going to wait for that retracement, okay? And then I'm just going to be drawing my trend lines just like this, right? And we're going to be waiting for that trend line to break. We're going to be placing our stop right over here. And we hope that we get an exact repeat of today, where the stop never gets hit and the market just takes off in our favor, right? I mean, this is what a $10,000 day looks like, trading just a few contracts, okay? So anyway, guys, I wanted to put this short checklist game plan here for you. You know, again, we don't make this complicated. This is simply green and red. Wait for the signal, wait for the retracement, take the trade, put the stop. Guys, you got to get mechanical at this. That's how you win. That's how you crush and dominate the other retail trader dumbasses that you're trading against, right? Let those retail traders, those other noobs, those rookies, let them focus on these bullshit type of candlestick charts, minute charts, their indicators, their MACD, whatever the hell they want to focus on, right? When you're trading Fed day, okay, you have to, you need to keep your trading simple, all right? The countdown has begun, guys. The countdown to one of the biggest Fed day interest rate decisions in history is on. The clock is started. Get your game face on. Come prepared to work tomorrow. And let's go out and kill it on Fed day. Guys, thanks for watching this video. Good luck to all of you guys who are trading Fed day.